Have you ever wondered how a single court case from 1803 established the foundation of judicial review? Not just in the United States, but influenced constitutional democracies like India too? Let's break down the landmark case of Marbury vs. Madison. To understand this case, we need to look at the facts. William Marbury was appointed as a justice of the peace in the final hours of President John Adams's administration. His commission was signed but never delivered. When Thomas Jefferson took office, his Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to deliver Marbury's commission, acting on Jefferson's orders. Frustrated and seeking justice, Marbury approached the U.S. Supreme Court, asking for a writ of mandamus to compel Madison to deliver his commission. Now, let's dive into the legal issues at hand. The Supreme Court had to consider three key questions. Did Marbury have a right to his commission? Was a writ of mandamus the proper remedy? And, crucially, did the Supreme Court have jurisdiction to hear the case? On one side, Marbury argued that he had a legal right to his commission since it was signed and sealed. He believed that the law entitled him to seek a remedy through the Supreme Court. On the other side, Madison contended that the Supreme Court did not have the authority to issue a writ of mandamus in this case, citing the Judiciary Act of 1789, which he argued did not grant the court original jurisdiction over such matters. Chief Justice John Marshall delivered the court's opinion, and his reasoning was groundbreaking. He acknowledged that Marbury had a right to his commission. However, he also ruled that the Judiciary Act of 1789, which allowed Marbury to bring his claim directly to the Supreme Court, was unconstitutional. This was because it extended the court's original jurisdiction beyond what was established in the Constitution. Consequently, the court denied Marbury's request for a writ of mandamus, but in doing so, it established the powerful principle of judicial review, the authority of the judiciary to review acts of Congress and determine their constitutionality. The final decision was clear. Marbury's claim was denied due to lack of jurisdiction. But the implications of this case were profound. It established the principle of judicial review, empowering the courts to strike down laws that conflict with the Constitution. This principle has not only shaped American law, but has also influenced constitutional democracies around the world, including India. In India, for instance, Article 13, Sed 2 empowers courts to invalidate laws that are inconsistent with the Constitution, echoing the foundational ideas set forth in Marbury vs. Madison. This case remains a cornerstone of constitutional law, illustrating the delicate balance of power among the branches of government and ensuring that the rule of law prevails.